Oh, she's such a beauty. Are you the mascot here at the Botanical Gardens in Tucson? Trying to stay cool? Okay, love, I gotta keep moving. Don't have a whole lot of time here. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, I get to go home and see my monkey. Okay, sweetie, you take good care. Ciao, ciao. You're in the tulip garden. The pretty tulips. Pink and orange. Okay, sweetie, stay cool. Look at this big cacti. Golden barrel, it's called. And look at this little guy. And this little fella here, Mexican fire barrel. So many different cacti. I wonder how many species there are. Okay, we'll show you some more.